The fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am super excited to be unboxing and reviewing this Aura 360 ANC wireless noise canceling over-the-ear headphones from Naztech. Now these do come in 3 available colors. Moon Dust, which is an off-white looking color. Vintage, which is a classic bronze or goldish looking color. And this sleek midnight color, which is a black color. Now these are brand new headphones priced at just $64.99, and they do offer a lot of features for that price point. These features do include active noise canceling, Bluetooth 5.3, and up to 30 hours of battery life, which sounds amazing. Now, I've been testing these out for a couple of months now, and I've got some thoughts about these headphones. So stay tuned and we'll do a quick unboxing, check out the features, and see if these headphones really live up to the hype that the company have set for it. Okay, so as usual, let's start with a quick unboxing of this to see what comes in the packaging. So as you can see, the package is simple and minimal, so nothing too fancy, but as you can see from this open flap, everything is organized very neatly. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so first things first, this does of course come with a nice dust bag, which is very nice, especially at this price point. You also do get the headphones themselves, which look and feel super durable, and they've got some weight to them, and they feel like a very high quality set of headphones. You also do get your USB-C charging cable, as well as a 3.5mm jack for cabled listening. In addition to that, you do get the reading material, which includes your instruction manual, Bluetooth device troubleshooting guide, as well as a product information card that also gives you a bunch of support numbers. So the instruction manual is very heavy and has a lot of pages, so I assume there's different languages, and the headphones themselves do have a lot of features, so that's always very nice. Okay, so my first impression of the headphones right out of the box, the midnight color is gorgeous. It's a deep matte black color with a subtle powdered feel, and the headphones are made mostly of a high durable feeling plastic. It's got this cool sleek look, which is perfect if you want something that's understated but also stylish. In fact, at its low, affordable price point, it looks a lot like those high-end, more expensive headsets that you would pay a premium for. Now when it comes to build quality, these headphones are super lightweight, but they feel super solid. The headband is padded with memory foam for extra comfort, and it's got these seamless telescoping arms made of an aluminum plated alloy metal material that extends really smoothly. This is a nice touch because it makes adjusting the fit super easy. Now, when it comes to comfort, the ear cushions are really soft. They're not the soft like in some of those cheaper headsets, but a luxurious, high quality type of soft that just makes you want to wear these all day. Now, according to Naztech, the material is a low pressure memory foam, and what's good about them is that they're also oversized. They'll fully cover your ears without squeezing too much or adding too much pressure to your ears. Now, I've worn these for a few hours at a time, and I didn't experience any kind of discomfort, which is a big plus for all-day use. Okay, so with that in mind, let's talk about the main feature of this headset, which is the active noise canceling, or ANC. This Aura 360 comes with Noise Hush Adaptive Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation built in, which is designed to detect and filter out up to 99.9% of background noise. But how does it work? Okay, so I've tested it in a few different environments, indoors, outdoors, and even during a flight, and it does a pretty solid job. Now, it's not at the same level as those super high-end headphones, but for this price point, it definitely does hold its own. The 4-mic system really blocks out a lot of the ambient noise around you, whether it's chatter, road noise, or even air conditioning. Now on the flip side, if you do want to let some of those outside sounds in, you've got the ambient transparency mode, which allows you to hear what's happening around you without having to take off the headphones. It's great for when you're walking around, or if you need to be aware of your surroundings while listening to music, or even if you're just wearing the headset as you're on the go. Now, when it comes to overall sound quality, the Aura 360 features 40mm dynamic drivers with titanium coated diaphragms, and honestly, they do sound pretty impressive. The audio is crisp and clear, and the bass is surprisingly deep for a pair of headphones at this price. Whether you're listening to podcasts, you're watching movies, or you're bumping your favorite playlists, the sound is full and well balanced. Okay, so next up is connectivity. The Aura 360 uses Bluetooth 5.3, which means that you can get a fast, stable connection with no lag or interruptions. I've paired it with my phone, my laptop, and even my tablets, and switching between the devices is seamless thanks to the Bluetooth multi-point connection. You can actually connect 2 devices at once, which is super convenient and makes it easy to switch between devices. Now, when it comes to controls, everything you need is right here on the right ear cup. There's 3 physical buttons for volume, power, play, pause, and switching between ANC and ambient modes. This means no confusing touch gestures or finicky sensors, just good old-fashioned buttons that work reliably once they're pressed. Now let's talk about battery life, which is an important thing to consider when you're buying a portable headset, which is also one of the standout features of this Aura 360. With ANC or ambient transparency modes on, you do get about 24 hours of playtime, but if you're using regular mode without ANC, that jumps up to about 30 hours, which is actually quite impressive. And then charging is quick as well. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. So if you're ever running low on juice, all you have to do is plug it in and you'll be back to full power in no time. Now another cool feature worth mentioning is the dual voice focus microphones. Whether you're on a video call or taking phone calls, the Aura 360 delivers sharp, clear voice quality. Now I tested it on a few Zoom meetings and phone calls, and everyone said that my voice was super clear with very minimal background noise. The microphones aren't studio grade, but it works for everyday calls, and it's just perfectly fine for everyday use. Okay, so now that I've talked about most of the features and shared some of my feedback and real-world usages, it's time for a quick rundown of the pros and cons after using these for the past couple of months. Starting with the pros. Affordable price. At $64.99, these headphones offer a lot of value for the price. Next is the comfortable fit. The memory foam padding is cloud soft and the headphones are light enough for all day wear. The third thing, solid ANC and sound quality. For the price, the noise canceling and sound clarity are excellent. And then battery life. With up to 30 hours of playtime, you can go days without charging, but when you do need to charge, it is super fast. And then finally, ease of use when it comes to the controls. There's no more guessing when it comes to adjusting or changing the volume. It's just a matter of pressing buttons rather than trying to figure out different swipes and gestures. And then, of course, there are the cons as well, or what I like to consider features and areas that could be improved. First is there's no app integration. There's no companion app to customize your sound or even the ANC levels, which some people might miss, but then again, it does add to the simplicity of the headphones. The next thing, of course, is the plastic build quality. The lightweight design is great for comfort, but I do prefer the lightweight metal housings for better durability and just overall look. However, that also does come with an additional cost. And then last is the limited color options. Right now, it's just the 3 different colors: Midnight, Vintage, and Moondust. So, in my opinion, more variety would be nice when it comes to colors. Even if it's just another blue color or a pink color, which is something that my wife asked for. So in the end, what are my thoughts on this headphone? Would I recommend it? And what is the verdict? The Aura 360 ANC wireless noise canceling headphones offer a lot of features at a really affordable price. They're comfortable, they sound great, and the ANC is surprisingly effective. Sure, there are a few minor drawbacks, which I don't think is the headset's fault, but at $64.99, you're getting serious bang for your buck. If you're someone who's looking for a budget-friendly pair of wireless ANC headphones that deliver on comfort, battery life, and sound quality, the Aura 360 is a solid choice. And as always, if you want a pair of these for yourself, I'll drop the link in the description section below of this video, along with a discount code to make this an even better deal so you can check it out for yourself. Now, as usual, I want to thank you for watching this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this one. With that in mind, I'll see you in the next video.